Have you ever wondered why some of your symptoms seem to get more noticeable, even more challenging, when the sun goes down? It is a common experience, especially with breathing conditions, where our bodies and environments shift after dark. For individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, a cough often worsens at night due to a combination of physiological changes when lying down, increased mucus accumulation, and environmental factors in the bedroom. This nighttime intensification can be particularly disruptive, affecting sleep and overall well-being. The primary reason this happens is gravity. When you lie flat, mucus and secretions that might normally drain more easily during the day tend to pool in your airways. This pooling effect, combined with a naturally reduced cough reflex during sleep, means your body is less efficient at clearing irritants and excess phlegm. The airways can become more sensitive and inflamed at night, leading to an increased urge to cough. Several other factors contribute to this nocturnal cough. Postnasal drip, where mucus from your sinuses drains down the back of your throat, can irritate the airways and trigger coughing. Acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, is also more common when lying flat and can inflame your throat and airways, prompting a cough. Even the air in your bedroom can play a role. Dry air from heating or cooling systems can irritate sensitive airways, while colder air can sometimes trigger bronchospasm, narrowing the airways and making you cough more. To help manage this, you can try some simple adjustments. Elevating your head and chest while sleeping by using extra pillows or a wedge can help gravity work for you, not against you, encouraging better mucus drainage. Maintaining good hydration throughout the day helps keep mucus thinner and easier to clear. You might also consider using a humidifier in your bedroom to keep the air moist and less irritating to your lungs. Paying attention to your evening routine, such as avoiding large meals close to bedtime if you experience reflux, can also make a significant difference. Your doctor might also suggest adjusting the timing of certain medications, such as bronchodilators or mucolytics, to ensure they are most effective during your sleeping hours. Understanding that these nighttime coughs are often a symptom of your body responding to various influences, not just your COPD alone, can empower you to find better management strategies. By understanding these underlying causes, you can take proactive steps to minimize nighttime coughing, leading to more restful sleep and a better quality of life. Small adjustments to your sleep position and environment, along with consistent communication with your healthcare team about your symptoms, can make a big impact on managing your COPD effectively around the clock.